Today we're showing you a 2005 John Deere 4120 tractor loader backhoe package. Tractor has just north of 900 hours on it. It is a local trade-in. The tractor is very clean. It's been stored inside the bulk of its life, and again, it was traded in locally here. No known mechanical issues whatsoever with the machine. Fella simply had very little use for the backhoe, so he traded this unit in on a tractor that did not have a backhoe. So tractor loader backhoe comes as one package. Also has the 3-point arms that are included with this deal. So the backhoe is quick attach, so you can easily remove the backhoe and install the 3-point arms and use it as a normal 3-point tractor. Again, just over 900 hours, has 43 horsepower. The engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so has none of the Tier 4 DPF filter, DEF filter, none of that emission stuff on this tractor. Does have the E-Hydro transmission, 3 ranges in the tractor, and then your hydrostat pedals for forward and reverse over there on the floor. Tilt steering wheel, full suspension seat there for the operator. Paint's in nice shape. Have a little bit of fade on this decal on the loader, but overall very clean tractor for an 05. Paint again is in nice shape. John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. Got some paint off the bucket, but just from normal usage, obviously. Has the loader, or I'm sorry, the 3-point arms in the loader bucket here. Drill guard on it. Tires are good, and again, pre-emission engine. These tractors are hard to find with the backhoe, especially the pre-emission tractors. And again, this backhoe is quick attached, so pull the pin here on each side. You can easily remove that backhoe and then install your 3-point arms and use any 3-point attachment that you may have. I do believe it has 2 buckets. Double check the listing on that, but I believe it's got a 12 and a 24-inch bucket to go with it. Very clean unit. Again, pre-emission engine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at Mast Tractor.